Hey everyone, thanks so much for being here today. I haven't done a video in quite some time, so I thought I would kind of give you a little bit of an update as to kind of the things I'm working on, what's going on. So first of all is this super pretty cat. It's just like a stray cat around my neighborhood and it keeps coming around. So I've been feeding it and I'm trying to get it to, trust me a little bit more. So that's a project I'm working on. And then I have purchased a Cricut machine. So I've been super busy in trying to figure the machine out and everything that it can do. So I'm gonna just kind of run through a bunch of these different projects that I've been working on, making this Grinch ornament. There's this other thing, it's called a Diwali lantern. And then there are some shadow boxes that I've been working on. After I showed a friend the one that I made, she wanted me to make one for her. So that's what I've done. And just some like vinyl stickers and some a card. And the last thing that I made is a sort of little iron-on thing. I just put it on this pot holder. It's a little dingy, but it's just like a little test piece that I did. And then finally, last but not least, I've got some little ornaments that instead of pouring on them, I just painted and added some little dots. So I will get into a little bit of a painting that I tried to do. It's been a while since I've painted. I'm a little rusty, and it seems like lately, when the weather's getting colder, I feel like I get a lot more air bubbles in my paints, and so it's just something that's not always working out the way that I like it to, but I'll go ahead and let you finish watching the rest of the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Thanks for being here.